My nephew playing Old McDonald had a farmer's iPad. No. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Long time no see. I have been uploading videos, but they're all like really old, like from 2017. So this is like the first video I filmed in 2020, and probably the first one I filmed in like 6 months. So yeah, I know I said in my last haul video that I probably wouldn't be doing any more haul videos, but that was a lie. It is a baby haul, which I'm really proud of myself. I only got a couple things from the Sephora spring sale, so I just want to share that with you guys. So yeah, if you want to see what I got, just continue to watch. The first thing I got was this overose candle. It is in the auraflowne. You guys know I really suck at spelling and shit like that and pronouncing things. And this is what it looks like. It's one of their purple candles. I have two overose candles, and I like, you know, luxury candles. That's a thing. But overose, like, it's been like hit or miss. Like the first one I got was like Valkyrie, which was like really popular, highly recommended by a bunch of beauty gurus on here, and I did not like that one at all. So that was like And then I got a different one that smelled a lot like Diptyque Beige, and that one I really liked. And this one I also think I'm gonna like. I haven't lit it yet, obviously, but I did smell it, and it does remind me more of a fruitier scent, and more like Beige by Diptyque, like in that family, where the Valkyrie one was very smoky. And I think a lot of people liked it because a lot of people like, I think it's called like Figure or something like that by Diptyque, and it's like a fig candle, but I think it also has like wood scent in it, and people really like that one. And that's what the Valkyrie one smelled more like, while this one is more fruity. So I think I'm really gonna enjoy that. Now this one was highly recommended by my best friend. I didn't even know about this candle. She ordered it, and then when she told me about it, I went and ordered it also. I'm pretty pissed because I meant to get the larger one, because price per gram, like the larger one, it's like $36, and it would have been a whole lot more candle than this small one. I mean, it's not the smallest candle ever, but still, like, I would have rather paid $36 and get like a big candle than pay $24 and get this size. But it's sold out, so there's nothing I can do about it. And this one is by Voluspa, and this is Blackberry Rose Oud. And it's, oh my god, I love the smell of it. First of all, I like blackberries. That's like the Diptyque Beige, just fruit scents. That's like right up my alley. So I really like the scent of this one. And what I also like is that it has kind of like a powder scent. I like baby powder type scent, so it kind of gives that vibe off to me also. I haven't lit it yet, obviously, again, but I think it's gonna be good. I have a few candles by Voluspa, and I feel like I've liked most of them. I feel like there was one or two I didn't like, but for the most part, I do like their candles. The next things I got were these two lip balms. One is by Laneige and one is by Kopari. Both staples with like my lip balms and stuff. The Laneige one in pear is one of my favorites. This is the second one I've bought, and actually this one I'm gonna give to my grandma, so I think she'll definitely really enjoy it. And then the Kopari one, same thing. It's the coconut one. I really like this one, and I'm also gonna give it to my grandma. She loves lip balm, so really excited for her to try these out. She's been using the grapefruit one for some time by Laneige, and I just want her to switch it up and have something else to use. Then this hyaluronic acid by the Inkley. I just got it to add to some of my moisturizers and stuff. Hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin. It plumps it up. And yeah, it was only like $6 or I think $7. And I just wanted it as something to add to some of my moisturizers that I'm already using. This Too Faced Born This Way concealer, I'm kind of bummed out. It's a little bit too dark for me. I got it in the shade Golden Beige, and according to like the Sephora website, it's supposed to be for light medium with yellow undertones, and it's just a little bit too dark for me. I consider myself light medium, even sometimes medium, and I was really shocked how like dark it was for my skin. I guess I should have gotten just light, but again, I consider myself light medium, so I'm a little confused. Or maybe, am I not light medium? I don't know. This stuff is so confusing, finding out your shades and things like that. But the coverage, so like I tested it on my face and on my hands, and the coverage is really good. It's just a shame that it's not the right color. But with the whole COVID thing going on, I don't know when I'll be able to like exchange it. So I'll probably just keep it and like line it up with like another concealer, because I do like it. The coverage, I like it better than the Shape Tape. It doesn't seem like it's gonna be as drying as the Shape Tape is. I don't like the Shape Tape at all. So I'm hoping I can get the same coverage, but not as like cakey and dry as the Shape Tape. And I also got this, I'm probably gonna butcher this, kosas. It's their tint foundation, and tinted face oil. I got it because a girl I follow on Instagram uses this religiously, and she said it's better than the Glossier tint, and she compared it a little bit to the Chanel Vita Lumiere Aqua, which was my favorite foundation. It's just I couldn't get the right skin tone in it, so I just stopped buying it. But this is very light. I put like again on my hand and tested it out, and it's very light, but better than the glossy. I can already tell it's not like the glossy one's like water. Like I don't see anything, like no pigment from that. This definitely has some tint into it. I don't have the Chanel one, I don't think anymore, or I have to search my collection to find it and do a comparison. But this one definitely blended into my hand better. Again, I'll have to try it on my face and keep you guys posted. This Norvina, this is I think volume 3 of her minis, and I just love these colors. Like I had to have it. It's so beautiful. I like the packaging. I like her other quad in it. I know it was like some weird reviews about it, but I love I have volume 2 also in the mini, and I love it. So I'm impressed, and I'm just hoping that this one also gives the same. If this is the same as that one, I'm gonna be happy. And I just like the colors. Like I love it. I think it's gonna be a really good travel palette. This glitter here, I'm like so excited to use. It's like beautiful. It's like bronzy, but it has like blue and gold flecks in it. It's just beautiful. Like I cannot wait to use it. And I also got the Sailor Moon palette. This I got from the Colourpop website, and that's what this looks like. I dipped my finger in the one glitter shade, and that's about it. I haven't used it yet because I almost don't really want to. I love it. I love Sailor Moon. I watch Sailor Moon every day, 6 a.m. with my brother every single morning growing up. I watch it on Hulu all the time. It is iconic and one of the best. And obviously I'm like really bad at saying, like, you know, pronouncing names, so I'm just gonna go by the creators. Sailor Moon's creator is married to Hunter x Hunter's creator, which I think is really cool, and I love Hunter x Hunter also, so again, had to support. Love it. And last but not least, I got this pomade by Surratt. It is supposed to be like soap brows, but in this kind of form, and I'm really excited to use it. I've always wanted to do soap brows, but it's like I'm just not gonna do all that extra work for them, so to have it in a convenient tube like this really sounded exciting for me, and I just can't wait to try it. So that was it. That's everything I bought from the Sephora sale and the Colourpop and Surratt website. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.